Welcome to all. Today we'll make a lampstand by using of old carton, scale, cutter, adhesive. First we'll take 3 inches measurement. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So another 1 point, another 4, number 4, will add the line. This portion is useless, we'll throw that. So first we'll do the crease line. Crease line means we'll not cut totally, just lightly we'll cut the board. Okay, so that we can fold it. First fold are made. Today we'll add some pedestal for this lampstand. So you can see the old agarbatti box. I made it, cut half into it and pasted for the pedestal base. You can take the bigger, little bit bigger and wider also, any box. Next we have to make it for standing. That's why what I did, I have taken a 1 inch gap and I will cut it for this portion. Next is separating from here. Next you can see this will be the ultimate box, and if we keep it this way it can stand. The shape will be like this for standing. Now we can make this type of pattern or design on the whole body. You may draw any geometrical like triangular shape, square, rectangular shape also over here. What is going to happen? We can see, if we see this one, just 1 minute. Yes, we can look this one. This is the one part. This will be the final looks. Understood? Okay, now you see here inside we can draw and cut it. Like this way. Yeah, you can see this side. Same way the another design has to cut. Now we will apply some adhesive added with water, liquid, any adhesive glue. We will put it. And next we add some tissue papers on it let the all design is covered first, no problem. It is very soft, we can tear it at any moment when we can. So there will be one texture to get it, or rough surface, make the surface rough little bit, because now we'll spread some POP, plaster of Paris, so that we can get a excellent texture. Now after doing this, we can make the design like this way. So this is the way you can, little bit it may haphazard, no problem. Now what to do, we'll put some liquid adhesive and we'll apply some plaster of Paris on it, so that we can get a excellent texture on it. Initially we will not get the effect. Later on, after drying, we will get this texture excellently. We can haphazardly, we can throw it. After drying this one, we will get a excellent uneven texture.